everyone, and welcome back to Soft English Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan.
Thanks for joining us for today's English practice.
Let's enjoy a relaxed conversation together.
Today's topic is talking about favorite music.
Let's start.
Ryan, do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I do. Music is a big part of my day.
Mine too. I usually listen in the morning.
That's interesting. I often listen in the evening.
What type of music do you enjoy most?
I like acoustic music.
Really? What do you like about it?
I enjoy the simple sound of the guitar.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I enjoy pop music.
What do you like about it?
It's easy to listen to, and many songs are very cheerful.
I can understand that.
Do you ever listen to music while studying?
Sometimes.
Does it help?
For some tasks, yes. For others, not really.
I'm the same way.
Do you have a favorite singer?
I do, but my favorite changes from time to time.
Mine does too.
That's one thing I like about music. There's always something new to discover.
I agree.
Have you found any new songs lately?
Yes. A friend sent me a playlist last week.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much. I found 3 songs that I really liked.
That's great.
Music is a wonderful way to improve your mood.
I couldn't agree more. That was a nice conversation about music.
Yes! Let's learn some useful words and expressions.
First, we have the word acoustic.
Acoustic music uses natural instruments, such as a guitar, instead of electronic sounds.
For example, I enjoy acoustic music.
Or, the acoustic guitar sounds beautiful.
Another useful word is cheerful.
Cheerful means happy and positive.
For example, the song sounds cheerful.
Or, she has a cheerful voice.
We also use the word discover.
Discover means finding something new.
For example, I discovered a new artist.
Or, we discovered a great cafe.
Another useful word is playlist.
A playlist is a collection of songs.
For example, I made a playlist for my trip.
Or, can you send me your playlist?
One more useful expression is from time to time.
It means sometimes, but not very often.
For example, I watch movies from time to time.
Or, we meet from time to time.
Earlier, we talked about the music we enjoy.
We discussed different styles of music and when we listen to them.
We also talked about favorite singers and discovering new songs.
Music is something many people enjoy every day.
It can help us relax, feel happier, or simply enjoy the moment.
That's why music is such a popular topic of conversation.
We hope today's vocabulary helps you talk about music more naturally.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey.
We'll see you again soon at Soft English Studio.